Welcome to the channel again. I'm doing a video on Wesfarmers. Let's have a look how Wesfarmers looking. I have done a video before on Wesfarmers. If you want to have a look, you can have a look in my channel, then where I discuss these percentages bit more detail. But let's have a quick look. So recently you can see this Wesfarmers has dropped for 12% here, from top here 13%. Now it has dropped 19%. If you look here, this is that COVID crash, then met this resistance, came down, retested again, failed, then next time it went up past that resistance, went up, came down, and previous resistance acted as the support this time. Same story here, once like here, failed, came back, went up, came back. I was expecting in the previous video, I think I was expecting this resistance to act as a support, but for some reason it didn't. It fell from that support, but it didn't go all the way through here. It got some support sort of around here. You can see it got support around this area. So this previous again support area which got support this time, then now last 2 weeks it bounced back above previous resistance line and closed like 2 weeks above that resistance line, which is a good sign. I personally like this setup because this is like retesting this what you call resistance. So it will expectation is this will act as a support, then go up from here. That's my expectation. So what I expect is it keep going up and probably go up above this previous resistance and come back and retest again and go back. That is what I am expecting for this stock to do now. But let's keep so what I expect is this is around here. So I expect this to go up past this resistance, come and retest, and it will act as a support like what it did here, around here, that like similar. So I personally like this setup. So it has gone past the previous resistance, close above that 2 weeks. Volume is not bad, although volume hasn't increased, but volume is not bad. It's sort of consistent. And RSI, see this is the bottom, then RSI has increased, so people are buying this stock. Personally I like this setup. It looks good at this stage, but as I tell always in my videos, please use stop loss in case this goes south. I would put a stop loss around previous support here. Let's go probably a bit further, maybe 53, maybe 53%, sorry, $53, maybe around here. Oops, sorry, 53 here. Let's make it 53. So it's 7.3% stop loss. If anyone want to buy it, it looks good at this stage, and I would put my stop loss around here, past this support line, which it got supported before, and yeah, go from there. Yeah, so if you have any questions, please let me know, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I know a lot of guys watch the videos and don't subscribe. Please help to grow my channel by subscribing and liking my videos. Thanks.